Today we are going to be installing a new bathtub faucet and handle because the old one has been leaking. To be able to install this new bathtub faucet and handle properly, the plumbing is going to need to be reworked. This is what Adam is working on first. He uses a pipe joint compound first and then is going to solder the pipe together on every side. The next step is installing it, but first we have to remove the old faucet and handles. Once that is removed, he starts cutting into the copper in order to be able to fit the new plumbing in before installing the new faucet and handle. He also makes sure to go through and tighten down every pipe joint. This prevents them from having the potential to leak. After he's gone through and done that, he starts installing the base of the faucet handle by screwing that in. Once the base of the handle is attached, he adds on the handle by screwing it in. He also turns the water supply back on to make sure that everything is working properly. He then installs the faucet, cutting away the extra copper pipe and putting the faucet on. Here is a finished look at the new plumbing done and the new faucet and handle attached. No more leaks!